Welcome back. How are you? Okay, fine, good. See, again today we are the same chapter, statistics, with another new topic. I think this is the fifth lecture of this chapter. So every time, every lecture we have learned some special formulas. First lecture, mean of the grouped data, direct method. Second one, mean of the group data, assumed mean method. Third lecture, mean of the group data, step deviation method. And in the fourth, mode of the data. Now today we are going to discuss about another new thing, median of the group data. It is not a new for you. We have already learned in 9th standard. This year we have some detailed discussions. Median of the group data. Median of the group data. So before that, yes, we have, as usually we have special formula to find out the median of the group data. And before that, please take page number 272. Page number 272. What is mean of the ungrouped data? The median of the, not mean, median of the ungrouped data. The median is a central, page number 272. Median is a measure of central tendency which gives the value of the middlemost observation in the data. The introductory paragraph which is given median, you can quote the middlemost observation of the data. Correct? Simple definition. The median is the middlemost observation. So we need to find out the number which is in the middle. Correct? So that is the concept. The median is what? The middlemost observation. So for that, to find out the middle number, it is what is odd number, then we use the formula n plus 1 by 2 observation. Odd numbers, it is n plus 1 by 2 observation. For even numbers, n by 2 observation and n by 2 plus 1 observation, that is median. So don't panic. Don't make it a very critically serious situation. I'll tell you, if the number of observation is, what is first one is odd number. Odd number. That means 11. 11 is an odd number. So you have 11 observation. 11 observation. Then how to find out? Of course, you can separate 5 from the left side, 5 from the right side. Then one number will be in the middle. Correct? 11, you can easily find out the middle number. 11 numbers are there. So 5 you can separate from the left, 5 you can separate from the right, then one number will be the middle. So that is the median. Now if even number 12, so what to do? 12, there is no middle number. Single number, there is no single middle number. But 12, 6th and 7th, the 6th number and the 7th numbers are in the middle. So now what to do is adding these two, then dividing by 2. Adding these two and dividing by 2. So before that, one more thing is, first arrange the data values of the observation in ascending order. I have written here, n plus 1 by 2 observation in ascending order. So finding out the median of the ungrouped data, before that the data should be written in ascending order. Ascending order now means smaller then larger one, then larger one, then larger one, then largest, last, the largest. Ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, going lower to the ascending order. So, ungrouped data, the first of all the data should be make it into ascending order. Then odd number, you can easily find out the middle one. If 5 number, 5 is an odd number. 5 means, first of all you write the ascending order, then separate 2 from the left side, 2 from the right side, 1 number. The third number will be in the center. Okay, that's it. So 6 means, so third and fourth, adding third observation and the fourth observation, then dividing by 2. That is the meaning. Okay, that is page number. You can see page number 272. Now today we can directly go to the formula. What is median of the grouped data? So what is the formula? What is the formula? What is the formula? Median equal to what is the formula? L plus n by 2 minus CF, n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Median equals L plus n by 2 minus CF, that means cumulative frequency, upon F, that means frequency into H. And explanations are given here, where L equal to lower limit of the median class. Lower limit of the median class. We need to find out the median class. To find out the mean and mode, we used to find out the model class. Okay. Here also we need to find out the median class. Then now n by 2 n means this is n. N means number of observation, total number of observation. Then CF means cumulative frequency. Frequency, adding frequencies. I will tell you. I will show you. Table is here. Very easy. Cumulative frequency. Then F, of course, as usually, F means the frequency of the class, and H means the class size, the length of the class. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 10, the distance, difference between these two classes. Okay, clear? Now, again, repeating the same thing as usually. The formulas are, tell me, what is? The keys. Okay, the formulas are the keys. If we lose the key, it is very difficult. So behold, hold tightly. We need the key to solve this problem. Okay, again, repeatedly I am saying formula is very important. So read and memorize, right? How to memorize? No medicine is available. Just like the coronavirus. So far, no medicine. Everybody is in deep trouble. Everybody is expecting a miracle from any country. So, the same way, here also, there is no special medicine for to increase the memory. You need to do the hard work. Again, keep the rough book, write 10 times, 15 times the formula. Median of the grouped data, median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Again write median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. So write 10, 15 times and read. Then you by heart again. Read again and repeated, reciting. Recite. Read, recite. Review. SQ3. Read again, repeatedly, reciting. Then keep a rough book and write these formulas. So that is the only way to remember these all formulas. Okay? So it's very important. Very, very important. Okay? L plus L by 2 minus CF of 1 years. Then and after all, these all are, what is this? Memorizing by hearting formula. What is CF? I don't know. CF means cumulative frequency. What is F? Pata nahi? No. F means frequency, and L means the lower limit of the median class, a number of observation, and H is the height of the class. Okay? So this. Now let us do a simple question. The first one is find the median. Find the median. You can see the question. Page number 281. Page number 281. Please take page number 281. Table 14.15. 1415. This is table 1450. 1450. Okay. Now marks 0 to 100. So this is a story about students gets a particular marks of a particular subject, say mathematics. Okay. This is the story. 0 to 10. Frequency F, marks and number of students. Frequency, number of students. I have written short. So you can also write like this: number of students, 1 mile distance, only 2 digits. No need. You can make it as simple. Simply write frequency. It's enough. Not for writing the single digit. No need to make a kilometer distance white column. Okay. Remember. So make it short, sweet and short. Class, frequency, and CF. Again, CF. What is cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency. I'll show you. Okay. Now 0 to 10 marks. 5 students. Yes, there are 5 students between 0 and 10 marks. Of course, there may be always there were few backbenchers scoring 0 to 10. Now 10 to 20. How many students? 3 students. 20 to 30, 4 students. 30 to 40, 3 students. 40 to 50, 3 students. 50 to 60, 4 students. 60 to 70, 7 students. 70 to 80, 9 students. 80 to 90, 7 students. And 90 to 100. So the brilliant students. Brilliant students, there are 9. And all these 80, 90, 70, all are brilliant students. Okay? Now this is the story. Okay? These poor fellows. Okay, these are 5 plus 3 plus 9. 5 plus 3. These numbers are very few numbers. About 40, 30 to 40. Okay, so right, 30 to 40 pass mark. Now these 1 to 3 classes are very poor. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 15 students. Okay? These very poor fellows. So they need to learn, they need to do little more hard work. They are so brilliant. And like you all are very brilliant. Okay? So you all are very brilliant students, I know. So you all are belong to this category. 70 to 80, 90 to 90. Okay, thumbs up. Done. Okay, now look at what is cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency? Adding these old frequencies one by one. First one, 5. Okay? Then next one, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 7, 29. 29 plus 9, 38. 38 plus 7, 45. 48 plus 8, 53. That will be our total number of students. So in this class, there are 53 students. So this will be come to here. The cumulative frequency, both should be correct. The total number of students and the cumulative frequency both should be correct. So the number of students. I'll tell you once again. The first one the same itself. Okay. First one 5. Then second cumulative 5. Then adding this to 5 plus 3. Here come 8. 8 plus 4. 12. 12 plus 3. 15. 15 plus 3. 18. 18 plus 4. 22. 22 plus 7. 29. Plus 9. 38. Plus 7. 45. Plus 8. And that is 65. 53 equals 61. 50. Correct? So in that way you can find out the cumulative frequency. Okay, easy? Adding one by. Again, last time the first one is 5. You get cumulative frequency and frequency. Then 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 7, 29. 29 plus 9, 38. 38 plus 45. 53. That is our total frequency. That is cumulative frequency. So the tabular drawing construction of the tabular column also finished. Now you can apply the formula. N means number of observation, number of frequency, total number of frequencies 53. Okay, n equal to 53. So n by 2 is 53 divided by 2. That is 26.53. 53 divided by 2. You can divide 53. 53 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 carry 3. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry 0. 2 5 are 26.5. So n by 2 equal to 26. N by 2 equal to 26.5. Okay. Now the median class. Oh, this is the important. How to find out the median class? Median class. How to find out the median class? I'll tell you the trick. I'll take a color pencil. I'll tell you the trick. Now what is n by 2 here? Look at here. What is n by 2? 26.5. Now where is the 26.5 is cumulative frequency? Look at here. 26.5 is there? No, 26.5. Not 26.5. But 22 and 29 is there. 26.5 is not there, but 22 and 29. So we need to select, we need to find out the larger number which is very close to this n by 2. Select the larger number, that means 29, 22 and 29. So larger than 26.5, 26.5 is better or close to 29, that is 29, or it corresponds to corresponding 29. This is what we call the median class. So here it is written, therefore the median class is 60.70. Sir, एक बार और बताना. चल yes, एक बार और बताओ. How to find out the median class? Observe. We need to find out n by 2. N is 53. N by 2 is 26.5. So now 26.5. Find out cumulative frequency. 26.5 makes n. If there is 26.5, no. But 22 and 29 is there. So we need to find out the larger number, larger than 26.5 and very close to 26. Larger number very close to 26.5, then you will get this 29, this 29. So corresponding to 29, the class is 60 to 70. Therefore the median class is 60 to 70. The median class is 60 to 70. Okay. Now again once again the formality, writing the median equal to n plus n by 2 minus n divided by f into h. So very please decrease the speed. Okay. Now median equal to n plus n by 2 minus cf divided by f into h. Same formula. Okay. Okay. Now n by 2 that is 26.5. L lower limit of the model class. Lower limit. The model class is 60 to 70. The 60 to 70. The lower limit is 60. So n equal to 60. Then cumulative frequency, CF, cumulative frequency, modern class, cumulative frequency of the cumulative of the frequency of the preceding class. Sentence little bit cumulative frequency of the 271 CF page number 271. Okay. CF cumulative frequency preceding the median class, preceding the cumulative frequency preceding the median class, cumulative frequency preceding. So median class 60 to 70 preceding इसका पीछे जो आना है, so that is 20 इसका पीछे, this is CF. Okay, this is preceding, this is median class और इसका जो frequency 29 है. Okay, this is 29 and the preceding इसका पीछे वाला है, ये cumulative frequency of frequency. The frequency of this is frequency. 7 is the frequency of the median class. Frequency of the median class ensure the length of the class, that is 10. Okay. Now I repeat once again. Still there is now. Okay. I repeat once again. Listen here. N by 2, that is 26.5, correct? 26.5. Now L means lower bound of the median class. So we have selected lower bound, median class 60 to 70, the lower bound is 60. Then cumulative frequency median class का नहीं लेना है और इसका जो पीछे preceding class है उसका लेना है. ये 29 और frequency median class का लेना है. Cumulative frequency preceding class का लेना है. Frequency median class. Yes sir. और अच्छे इक्वल. Now you can solve. 60 plus 26 minus 22 divided by 7 into 10. Okay. How to solve this one? That this part is, you need to complete this part. 60 should be kept there. 26.5 minus 22, that is 4.5. 4.5 into 10. 26.5 minus 22, that is 4.5. Okay. Now 4.5 into 10, that is 45. 45 divided by 7. You will get that 45 divided by 7. Now 60 should be brought down. इसके साथ याद नहीं करना है. मैं बोला ये जो है बाकी इतने मोशन प्लस सॉल्व करके जो आंसर इसके साथ प्लस करेगा. तो 60 plus 45 by 7. Now 45 by 7. Again you have to divide. 45 divided by 7. 45 divided by 7. 7 5 are 35. 7 6 are 42. Okay, 7 6 are 42. 3 decimal point. 7 5 are 35. No, 7 4 are 28. 2. Again 7 3 are 7 2 are 14. 6. So what will you answer? 6.42. 6.4. Okay, here is 6.44. So now 60, what is 60? What is the answer? 60 plus 6.4 equal to 66.4 equal to 66.60 plus 64 equal to 60. Okay. So and this is the method to find out the median of the group data. So very simple one. So today and we will see one more question, that is the missing frequency. Page number again 284. This is also very important. This is direct method finding out the mean, and you can expect find the mean of the data using any method, either direct method, assumed mean method or step deviation method. You can use any method. Then mode of the data and the median. And last section, missing frequency, how to find out the missing frequencies. And And also, I think we need one more lecture for this because few graphs. I need one more class for explanation for these graphs, so we can fit to that. So, dear students, so we need one more lecture, I think, and the missing frequency and one graph. What is this we call, less than ogive and more than ogive and less than ogive. So of course we can conclude with the next lecture this chapter. So we will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye, take care.